Stop looking like somebody who need money. Stop looking like somebody who need help. The moment you start to look like somebody who need help, nobody go help you. If you look like somebody who need help, nobody go help you. Nobody will support you. You will see a lot of people today, the reason why they become a content creator is for them to go and use the opportunity to start begging. The more you look like a beggar, the more people go just they ignore you. You understand? As I did like this, so I always use myself for example. You feel see me like this, you no go know whether I get money, you no go know whether I no get. And you can never see me complain. Say, I no get money, today I don't go broke, you no go happen. If you get, you no get. Just be yourself, be yourself. No expect anything from anybody. Don't expect anything. You get so many people where be say before you meet them, they already know say you will ask them for money. They already know say you don't they look like a hungry, like you don't they, like they don't they see you as somebody where be say this guy go ask me for money. They go just they avoid you. Stop looking like somebody who need the help. Look like somebody where be say you don't even need help safe. The moment you they look like person who don't need the help go just they come. People go just they support you. But if they see say you know get, and you they prove, you they show yourself say you know get to see how poor I dey, and nobody agree help me. Nobody agree help you. How many people you agree help? Now who you help go help you. But that one not be where they come from. What are they talk be say the moment you they look like somebody who need help, you see somebody, one or two statements you don't they put the word, say you they suffer, say make he give you some, make he put something for your pocket, the person will just ignore you completely. Look like a strong person, like look like person where be say you don't need anything from anybody, you don't give a fuck, bro. From anybody, you don't. As I did like this, so you feel see me, you go just they look at me, I go just they look at you. Even for my own mind, you get as the way I go look at you, I don't know say you they come for money. Which me as I did like this, so if you look at me, you can never know whether I go come for money, because we feel not talk at all. We feel not even have any conversation. We feel not even talk more of say you want to know what there my mind. You don't go know. But for my own side, I see a lot of people on social media. You see a celebrity, somebody where they call a celebrity, you they force yourself to go and take picture with the person. You they force yourself, you want to take picture, the person go just they push you. Come on, come out from here, you poor man. Brother, as I did like this, no matter whoever you be, if I see you, I know they see you as the way you think. Because I am not expecting anything. I'm not a hungry person, I'm not a poor man. Stop looking like a poor man, bro. Stop looking like somebody who need the help. Even if you need them, don't do like say you need it. If you even give the money, you go tell them say no be say I won't collect more. You set your hand like this, so you go tell them say no be say I won't collect more, but bling am. You understand? No be say you go lush. You go lush. They go see you say this one a hungry person. See the way they. No. Be a man. If you see money, make money no move you. That thing that should be important to you is what you can deliver, so that the money go just come quickly. If it be advert, you go see a rich man like this, you no go stress yourself. The only thing where you go do now just one advert. That all those money where they see on table go come for you. You understand? If it be one just business plan like this, you go just bring up. You see those money where they see on table go come for you. They go push and come your side. Now so life be. It's very simple. Stop looking like a hungry person. Always they ask yourself, what will I just do now to bring this money? What idea will I bring now or make this money come my side? That should be waiting, should be worrying you, should be your problem. Not all the time, or people go just they see you as a hungry person. Sure. The world go they reject you. You will not know. because you dey complain. I no get money, I no dey this, I no do this. Stop looking like a hungry person. Go and work. Put yourself in a high position, in a comfortable way, whereby that if you dey look at me, I dey look at you, nobody go dey see each other as a beggar. Put this one for your head and see you on my next video. One love.